Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be looking into asanas that will help your hypothyroidism. So make sure you include these asanas in your daily practice for better results. Also, you have to keep in mind that only the practice of yoga will not help you much with the results. You have to back it with following a specific diet. So with this in mind, let's get into the asanas. Starting with Sarvangasana, tuck your t-shirt in and stretch your legs down like this. Now, as you inhale, lift your legs and hip up and support your hips with your hands. So as you support your hips, keep lifting your legs up to the ceiling. Bring your elbows close to each other. Place your palm near your lower back and lift your legs up as much as you can, holding here for 5 deep breaths. When you want to release, bring your knees to your forehead and slowly roll your spine back onto the mat. Now, for those of you who are not able to do this, you can just lift your legs up like this. And also, anyone on their menstrual cycle should avoid doing inversions. So you will avoid doing Sarvangasana and you can do this instead. Now slowly bring your legs down. Next one is Halasana. Similar to Sarvangasana, you will lift your legs up and support your hips with your hands. Now after this, slowly bring your knees to your forehead and drop your toes behind your head. You will point your toes back and try to slide your legs away from your head. If you're comfortable, you can bring your palms back onto the mat. Once you're done, the same way you will roll your spine back onto the mat and then release. Next one is Matsyasana. Hands under your hips, legs straight. Lift your head and chest up and drop only the crown of your head back on the mat, creating an arch in your spine. This will improve your lung capacity. So focus on breathing into your chest. Make sure there is very little or no pressure on the neck. Once you're done, release. Next one, Janusana. Keep your feet together. Bend your right knee. Place your right foot on your left inner thigh. As you exhale, bend down and hold your left foot, forehead to your knees. Focus on your breath. 5 deep breaths. Now slowly inhale, release, come back. Now stretch your right leg down and bend your left knee, your foot on your right inner thigh. Exhale, bend down. 5 deep breaths. And slowly inhale, lift your head up, release, relax. Next one, cat and cow. Keep your knees hip width apart. For your measurement, you can touch your elbows down like this. Come up, plus 1 palm for your Matsyasana measurement. As you inhale, drop your belly down, lift your head up, chest up. As you exhale, tuck your tailbone in, chin to your chest. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Continue doing this for a few more rounds. Once you're done, you can relax. That's all in today's video. Thanks for watching. Again, make sure that you include these asanas in your daily practice if you have hypothyroidism. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.